Hey loves, it's Chellbee. Welcome. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. Today, I just wanted to quickly take a minute to show you all my scripture writing planner, journal, never know what to call this. Anyways, I wanted to show you basically my progress with scripture writing for 2022. I know the year is not over, but I thought it'd be fun to do a quick little flip through. Of course, once 2022 ends, I will do another scripture flip through video, scripture writing flip through video to show you all just the full journal from beginning to end. But I am loving this. Definitely need to go ahead and order my 2023 planner so that I can be ready for next year. But I'm loving doing scripture writing, loving all of the different scriptures that I've been reading, and just loving the opportunity to just soak in the word. And I'm gonna be quiet now and let you guys watch the flip through, but I hope you enjoy. As always, stay safe, be blessed. Bye.
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.